There was never any hope of survivors. The Trident started breaking up in the air. There was no explosion or fire on impact, but the experts say the crew and passengers would have been dead or unconscious long before that. The gruesome work of clearing away the debris from Flight 476 began again this morning at first light. It was a slow, sad task. Most of the bodies had been trapped inside the crumpled hull. But the Yugoslavian civil defense teams, many of them volunteers, did as best they could, carefully collecting personal belongings, papers and documents, and making sure the dead were removed to the mortuary in Zagreb as quickly as possible. The Trident was at least recognizable. The DC-9 had caught fire on collision and was blown to pieces in the explosion that followed. Most of the pieces fell into thick woods 5 miles away from the British plane. Army helicopters were brought in to search the cornfields, but it's expected to take a long time before they're finished. For the British investigators too, it was the beginning of several months of analysis, although at least some of the answers are already known. For the villagers of 𝗕𝗿𝗶𝗵𝗵, however, it's been a confusing and traumatic 2 days. Bodies fell in their gardens, twisted metal on their houses, and today the roads to their farms were sealed off by troops. All they could do was stand and watch. Nobody yet knows exactly what happened, but the investigation at the moment is centered around Zagreb Airport and the work of the air traffic controllers. 5 have in fact been detained and could face prosecution.